Don't let those pesky eBay defects drag down your seller standing. Let's get them cleared out. First, pinpoint the defect, log into your eBay seller account and navigate to your seller hub. Look for the Performance tab, and then the seller level section here. You'll see your current defect rate and any specific transactions that contributed to it. Now, identify the reason for the defect. Common causes include unresolved returns, late shipments, or items not as described. eBay usually provides a brief explanation for each flagged transaction. The crucial step: dispute the defect. For each transaction you believe is incorrect, look for a dispute or ask eBay to review option. Click on it to initiate the process. Prepare your evidence. This is where you prove your case. Gather all relevant documentation, tracking information showing on team delivery, photos of the item in pristine condition before shipping, communication with the buyer, or proof of return policy adherence. Upload your supporting documents when prompted within the dispute form. Be clear, concise, and factual in your explanation. Focus on how you followed eBay's policies for that specific transaction. Submit your dispute. Once you've uploaded your evidence and provided your explanation, hit submit. eBay will then review your case. Monitor your case. eBay will typically respond within a few business days. You can check the status of your dispute within Seller Hub or via email notifications. If your dispute is successful, the defect will be removed from your account. Remember, resolving defects proactively not only improves your seller performance but also builds trust with your buyers. Keep those standards high.